Good afternoon everyone. We are here in Poole and we're fitting another deck, but currently we're in this lovely garden and it's raining leaves, as you can see here on the ground. It's something to do with that big tree up there, but it is autumn and yeah, we've had a very busy year so far. Fitted lots of decks over the summer, but we're here. I'm just going to bring you around to see the guys here who are fitting another deck. Flippy's been project managing this deck, doing a fantastic job. They're fitting the deck boards down at the moment. They've got all the main frame up and the posts in place. There's going to be a handrail going all the way along here and around, and then obviously down to the steps. They've done some really great details by putting a picture frame border around the deck. The Detling's going in now. With this handrail, might add, there's going to be spindles going down as well, so it'll really look the part. If you didn't know how we put our decking together, it's really quite simple. It's like normal timber, but being 100% recycled plastic, it's never going to rot. So even though it's close to the ground, normal wood will get quite damp and rot over time. Ours won't. And the centres here, space between. You can have anything between 400 to 500mm centres. These are 500mm centres. You've got noggins here every so often as well to obviously keep all the beams straight, and they're obviously supported on posts. And then obviously that supports our deck boards that are being screwed down now, and we've got a staggered effect going along. And if you're wondering obviously how it's all fixed down and screwed together, it's done with normal woodworking tools. We've got Sam over here. He's just marking up a bit of plastic now, ready for cutting, and just use a normal screw, normal saw, and obviously when that's cut, that will be screwed to the frame. So you can't beat some DeWalt tools. Fantastic products that they offer. Circular saws, drills, well, angle grinders, all the rest of it. But yeah, you can see actually now here, Flippy is screwing boards down. So he's using them with a string line, drilling down with a string line, screwing in, so everything's absolutely perfect, as you can see here. Nice accurate job, and you can hear Sam in the background now, cutting some more planks. But yeah, this should be finished the next couple of days. The customer's going to be very happy, I'm sure, as they have been all the way along the job, seeing our progress. But if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or drop us a message on Facebook, or you can email us at sales@reformplastics.co.uk. Our telephone number is 01202 385 751. We're very happy to hear from you. Thanks a lot. Take care.